Do you know what is the meaning of life? I think for me, life is very challenging. Life is gonna hard us. Kailangan maghanap ng job para mabili yung mga pangangailangan. Sabi nga nila, it's better for being curious than being smart. Because being curious, it's help you to become smart. So, the more na marami kang nalalaman, the more na marami kang natutunan sa buhay, the more na mag-grow ka as a person. So, we need to learn a lot. If kung mag-grow tayo bilang isang tao. Kung pagod ka na sa buhay mo, sawa ka na sa trabaho mo, sawa ka na sa pag-aaral mo, lahat ng bagay, chill ka lang, relax. Darating yung time na magiging masaya ka.